Hello friends, in this video I will tell you one theorem related to limits, and then we will solve some problems based on that theorem. Now see, what is that theorem? That theorem is limit x tends to a x raised to power n minus a raised to power n divided by x minus a is equal to n into a raised to power n minus 1. Now this theorem is very helpful to solve the problems related to limits. Now we will solve some problems based on this theorem. So see this question. Suppose we have to evaluate limit x tends to 3 x raised to power 4 minus 81 upon x minus 3. Suppose we have to evaluate this limit. Now it can be written as like this: limit x tends to 3 x raised to power 4, and what is this 81? 81 is 3 raised to power 4 upon x minus 3. So now we will use this theorem. Limit x tends to a x raised to power n minus a raised to power n upon x minus a is equal to n a raised to power n minus 1. So here the value of a is 3 and the value of n is 4, right? So when we apply this theorem here, then this limit will be equal to 4 into 3 raised to power 4 minus 1, and it is equal to 4 into 3 raised to power 3, and it is equal to 4 into 27, and it is equal to 108, right? So in this way, by using this theorem, we can solve the problems related to limits. Now we will solve one more question based on this theorem. See another question. Limit x tends to minus 2 x raised to power 3 plus 8 upon x plus 2. So we have to evaluate this limit. So in this case, we can write it like this: limit x tends to minus 2. Now x cube plus 8, it can be written as like this: x cube minus 2 raised to power 3 upon x minus 2. Now we will apply the theorem, this one, right? So here, what is the value of n? Here n is equal to 3 and a is equal to minus 2, right? So the value of this limit is what? N into a raised to power n minus 1, that is 3 into minus 2 raised to power 3 minus 1. It is equal to 3 into minus 2 raised to power 2, and it will be equal to 12. So by using this theorem, we have solved the questions. So in this way, there are some more theorems also which are very helpful for us to solve the problems related to limits. Let us see them. Another theorem is limit x tends to 0, e raised to power x minus 1 upon x, it is equal to 1. Another theorem is limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x raised to power 1 upon x is equal to e. So these theorems are also helpful to solve the problems.